Kolena AI for real estate has just been released and it's making waves in the industry. If you're looking to optimize your real estate processes with AI, you need to know these 7 crucial things about Kolena AI. Stick around till the end because what I'm about to share could change the way you do business in real estate forever. First off, Kolena AI for real estate is designed to help agents, brokers, and investors make smarter, faster decisions by leveraging AI to analyze and predict market trends, property values, and investment potential. This isn't just another AI tool, it's a game changer for anyone in real estate looking to stay ahead of the curve. One of the biggest advantages of Kolena AI is its ability to streamline property analysis. With just a few clicks, the software generates comprehensive reports on property values, local market conditions, and even potential ROI. This is a huge time saver for real estate professionals who would otherwise have to manually gather this data from multiple sources. Another major feature is the predictive analytics. Kolena AI can forecast market trends based on real-time data, helping users make data-driven decisions about which properties are likely to increase in value. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this feature allows you to spot opportunities before they become obvious to others, giving you a competitive edge. What sets Kolena AI apart is its machine learning capabilities. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. It's able to learn from your past decisions and adapt its predictions based on your preferences and your specific market, which means the more personalized and accurate your insights become over time. For real estate agents, Kolena AI's CRM integration is a huge bonus. It syncs with your existing systems, making it easy to manage leads, track client communications, and follow up automatically. With AI-powered chatbots, you can even automate client interactions, saving hours on administrative tasks every week. Kolena AI for real estate also comes with a robust property search feature. It's not just about finding properties, it's about finding the right properties. By analyzing thousands of data points, Kolena AI narrows down search results to match your criteria so you don't waste time sifting through irrelevant listings. This is especially useful if you specialize in niche markets or unique property types. Another great thing about Kolena AI is its scalability. Whether you're working solo or part of a large team, it adapts to your needs. For agencies, it can manage multiple listings, client communications, and financial projections all in one place. For investors, it can handle everything from single property analysis to complex portfolios with multiple investment properties across various locations. Lastly, Kolena AI's interface is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. Everything is intuitive, and the learning curve is minimal, which makes it a great option for people new to AI-powered tools. Whether you're an experienced real estate pro or someone just getting started, you'll find the platform easy to use. Now here's the best part. You can try Kolena AI for real estate completely free through the link in the description below. If you're ready to level up your real estate game with AI, there's no better time to start. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Kolena AI is definitely one of the best I've seen, especially in the real estate niche. At the end of the day, whether you're an agent, investor, or broker, Kolena AI gives you the tools to make smarter decisions faster. If you've been wondering whether AI can actually help you in real estate, this software proves it can. Don't forget to check out my recommended AI tools in the description after you try Kolena AI. These are the tools I trust and use for my business. So that's it for today's review of Kolena AI for real estate. Check it out now and see how it can transform your real estate business.